Assalamualaikum students. I'm your teacher Ikra Sajid. We are talking about class 4 subject science. Today we will learn unit number 7 pollution. Dear students, do you know impure water may cause diseases like cholera and typhoid. The substance that make anything polluted is known as pollutant. Now come to the exercise. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What do you mean by environmental pollution? Answer. The disturbance of environment with different things is called environment pollution. Number 2. What is air pollution? Answer. Air pollution is a type of environmental pollution that affects the air and usually caused by smoke or other harmful gases. Number 3. Name the factor that cause air pollution. Answer. Smoke of vehicles, factories, wood and coal, and burning garbage and trash. Number 4. How is water polluted? Answer. The water is polluted when harmful substances get into water. It does not remain fit for drinking or domestic purposes. Number 5. What do you understand by the word noise? Answer. All the sounds that are not pleasant to hear are noises. Number 6. Write 3 control measures for noise pollution. Number 1. All motor vehicles should move without use of horn too many times. Number 2. Use of loudspeakers should not be allowed, particularly in areas where there are schools, hospitals, and other sensitive institutions. Number 3. Airports must be constructed sufficiently away from cities. Question number 7. Write the hazards of noise pollution. Answer. Hazards of noise pollution are: Number 1. Intense noise pollution may make a person temporarily or permanently deaf. Number 2. Noise pollution is particularly harmful to babies and children. Number 3. Noise pollution may also spoil sleep, work efficiency, and concentration. Number 8. What is soil pollution? Answer. Soil pollution is mainly due to chemicals in herbicides and pesticides. These chemicals harm the useful microorganisms that act as decomposers in the soil.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपने अभी तक NKS टीवी को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसे जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि आपको आने वाले आपके न्यू लेसन्स की वीडियोस मिल सकें.
Now come to the blanks. Fill in the blanks and you can see on your screen the filling words are in red color. Number 1. The random sounds create noise pollution. Number 2. Noise pollution spoils sleep, work efficiency, and concentration. Number 3. Human beings cause air pollution by burning fuels. Number 4. When harmful substances get into water, it does not remain fit for drinking. Number 5. Soil pollution is mainly due to chemicals in herbicides and pesticides. Dear students, this question is about correct and false statement. Tick for correct and cross for false statement. Number 1. Water cannot be polluted by industrial wastes. This is false. Number 2. Use of herbicides cannot pollute water. This is true. Number 3. Sounds that are not pleasant to hear are called noise. This is true. Number 4. Noise pollution can make a person permanently deaf. This is true. Number 5. Airports should be quite near the cities. This is false. Number 6. Insecticides become the cause of water pollution. This is false. Dear students, write each of the following. Question number 1. 4 factors causing air pollution. Answer. Number 1. Burning of fuels. Number 2. Factories. Number 3. Burning garbage and trash. Number 4. Smoke of vehicles. Question number 2. 4 methods to control noise pollution. Answer. Number 1. Turn off appliances at home and office. Number 2. Shut the door when using noise machine. Number 3. Use earplug. Number 4. Stay away from noisy area. Question number 3. 4 factors causing water pollution. Answer. Factories, fertilizers, pesticides, and garbage. Question number 4. 2 methods to control water pollution. Answer. Number 1. Treatment of sewerage water. Number 2. Orientation of people to keep water clean. Question number 5. 4 hazards of noise pollution. Answer. Hazards of noise pollution are: number 1. Permanent hearing loss. Number 2. Sleep interferences. Number 3. Cause of high blood pressure. Number 4. Spoil work efficiency and concentration. Dear students, now match the following. And you can see on your screen the colorful line show the matching. Deforestation, air pollution, industrial wastes, water pollution, and crackers and bands, noise pollution. Dear students, this question is about the multiple choice, and there are 4 options of each question, but we have ticked the correct one. So let's start. Number 1. Waste products which contaminate our environment are called. The options are: A. Contaminants, B. Pollutants, C. Fungicides, D. Byproducts. The correct option is byproducts. Number 2. Factors causing air pollution are: A. Deforestation, B. Emission of gases by vehicles, C. Garbage, D. All of above. The correct option is all of above. Number 3. Intense noise pollution can make a person: A. Blind, B. Deaf, C. Dumb, D. Crippled. The correct option is deaf. Now, dear students, fill in the blanks by finding the suitable words from the lesson. And you can see on your screen the suitable words are in red color. Number 1. Water is discharged from factories after having been used in production processes. Number 2. This wastewater may contain acids, salts, poisons, oil, and in some cases harmful bacteria. Number 3. Waste from farms include animals, wastes, fertilizers, and pesticides. Number 4. A large amount of these materials drain off. Dear students, I hope you enjoy your lesson. So, share this video to your friends, subscribe the NCAS TV, and press the bell icon button for upcoming lesson videos. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.